Okay. Bring back the paddle on the center. Bring back. Okay. Now this time we'll be having our points. Okay? Hands off the table, please, everyone. Hands off the table. Yes. A little space on the table. Okay, are you ready? Team champion and Team Royal and Team Tiger. Yes. Yes, Team Royal and Team Tiger. Are you ready? Only Team Tiger. Team Royal, are you ready? Team Tiger. Alright, let's go. Touch your eyes. Touch your nose. Touch your mouth, touch your ear, touch your eyes. Say hi to our audience. Say hi to our audience first. Yeah, say hi. Wow. Touch your ear, touch the bottle, touch only. Touch only. I didn't say ground. touch only, touch. Let's say ground, only ground.
अच्छा टच करनी थी ओनली फॉर टच करनी थी आपको
Yeah, touch only. Rub is the main word. Okay, touch your eyes. Ready? Touch your eyes. Okay, focus everyone. Touch your eyes, touch your hair, your ear, touch your shoulder, your back. That's your head, your nose, your eyes, your eyes.
आइस पकड़नी आइस
Nervous, very nervous. Touch your nose, your hair, your eyes, your ear. Grab your nose. Wow. Again. Both team are fast, so yes, we'll be splitting the points. So each team will receive 5 points. Okay, let's go for our second round. Okay, let's go to our second round, everyone. Okay, are you ready? Are you ready? Team Royal and Team Tiger, are you ready? Audience, are you ready?
Yes.
Oh, they're all ready. Okay, everyone. Focus. Listen to me. Hands off the table, please. Hands off. Hands off the table. Okay, now let's move on to touch your hair. Touch your ear. Touch your stomach. Touch your waist. Shake, shake, shake. Yes, wow. Touch your nose. Touch your ear. Touch your mouth. Touch your back. Grab your nose.
No.
Okay.
Oh.
One more.
दोबारा
Okay, one more. Only one of them. Only 2 of them. Please. You want to play later? Yeah, later. Okay, only 2 of them. Okay, let's go. Touch your hair. Touch your hands. Touch your hands. Other touch your hands. Hands. Touch your shoulder, your back, your stomach, your waist, your head, your nose. That's it, your nose. Where's the nose? Your nose. Your eyes. Your nose again, your mouth, your stomach, your back, your head. Your yours! Okay. Still, both of team got both battles. So, you will split again the points, which will be 5 points for each team. So, 10 points and 10 points. Now, let's move on to our last round. Okay.
Last final.
Okay, focus everyone, listen, let's go. Touch your eyes, touch your nose. Yeah, face them. Focus to the bottom. Okay, just listen to my voice. Touch your eyes, your nose, your ears, your stomach, your back, your waist, shake. 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 Your shoulder. Your eyes. Your hair. Your ear. Eyes. Nose.
No, no, no.
Mouth, ears, eyes, nose, hair, shoulder, waist, stomach, back, not yet,
No, no, no.
back, shoulder, eyes, nose, mouth, where's your mouth, ear, hair, come here, Oh! Wow!
Oh,
And now,
David.
our Team Royal got 3 battles. Why so far? Our Team Royal received the total of 10 points. It means you will get 24. Yes, we'll be having that game. We'll be having 10 points. Now let's move on to our second game. Yes, you can have a meeting for now. How to win the second game. Our second game will be Pull Me Slowly.